Hey guys, it's Mike with the watch list video for, let me check what day, Wednesday, August 21st. SPY put in a little narrow range today, very low volume. I mean, again, this run has been amazing. Is this a top? I have no idea. It could easily just continue tomorrow. It's just a very low volume day. Kind of slow out there. My favorite call of the day, I'm going to do my daily hat tip. Let me try that again. I'm going to do my daily hat tip. This one goes to Eon in chat. Eon D gave us LUNR, and I know I've got extended hours on here, but I'm just going to keep it on because I'll show you something. Oh no, I don't actually. Gave this to us over 510. It was the early high. See that horizontal line? This is when it broke. 510 went pretty quickly to over 6 and ultimately topped out at 612. That was probably 20 cents risk at the most. That was just a great call. So there's my hat tip. I got a couple, let me add after hours onto this because I got a couple stocks I'm going to show you that after hours matters on them. All right, so anyway, here we go. Here's the daily. So LUNR certainly on the list for tomorrow with that big volume and a nice breakout. Could certainly have a continuation day tomorrow. VKTX put in an inside day today, but went out near the high, so you got to like that one still. LUMN. I don't know. This one's just holding up pretty well after this massive gap up. Looked like yesterday was putting in a a lower high and it was going to roll over, and it's kind of holding on, putting an inside day today. So holding on pretty well. It goes back on the list. ALT, also an inside day, quiet red day after the pop yesterday. That's one of those weight loss stocks, just like VKTX that I just showed you. RR. Had news today and pretty good volume, but did close well off its high. Still going to land on our watch list for tomorrow. SOND, after that gap down, I believe, I want to say after an offering, but I'm not positive, actually put in a pretty strong day. So we're going to watch that one. TGTX had the big breakout yesterday. Today stayed very close to the upper, or in the upper range of yesterday's candle. Maybe a third day play there. CING, this one I know did an offering and actually held up pretty well, so we'll see. That one scares me a little bit, but we will watch it and see if it gives an A+ setup. NEON, kind of a quiet. I mean, usually this thing trades, almost no volume, but it had this spike back here and then another spike today. But it's a thin one, so I doubt I'll trade it, but I'm going to put it on watch. BT had news, good volume, pretty strong close. ALLG, also big day. Topped out at exactly 2, which makes it a little bit more interesting to me. And then a couple potential gappers tomorrow that I want to show you. BBAI, had news and after hours and went to 205. As I'm talking to you, it's trading at 172. So if it's still gapping tomorrow, it's certainly going to be on top of the gap play watch list. And then you know what? Let me go back. I said I was going to show you the after hours. That's why I put extended hours on there. So let's go to 5-minute candles. There, you can see the big pop in after hours bouncing off the 8 moving average on 5-minute candles, and we'll see. We'll see how that looks tomorrow. And then let me go back to the daily. One last potential gapper, which is going to be AZTR. There's the ugly daily, but in after hours, we'll show you that. All right, we'll just kind of zoom in. So big pop in after hours, topped out at 125 so far. That might be it, we'll see. But if it's still gapping in the morning, that's going to go on the gap play list along with BBAI, and I'll see everybody in pre-market. We can work together and hopefully build a few more stocks onto our gap play list. And let's find some good trades tomorrow, right? I'm done babbling. We'll see you in chat.